Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I going to show you how to make it really easy recipe stir fry instant ramen noodle or ผัดมาม่าToday we're doing really easy recipe because right now in this situation somebody not want to go outside or difficult to go outside the house, so we're gonna use just what we have inside the house and make some good recipe. Okay, first I have the vegetable already prepped. I have the broccoli. I use about like 12 or 13 pieces of broccoli already pre-cut, and I use the carrot. I cut a little bit thin so easy to cook. And for the ramen noodle today, I use a Thai brand. It's called Mama. This one is Tom Yum favorite, but you can use any kind of top ramen noodle. You can use any kind of when you find in the grocery store, the one you already have in your pantry. So today this brand is very small, so I use two packets for one serving. Okay, first I'm gonna boil the noodle. Okay, so I have two packets. We're just gonna boil just for soft enough to we can stir fry to loosen it up a little bit. We're not gonna cook until too soft. But right now we just cook the noodle a little bit to loosen it up. We not put any seasoning inside there yet. So I still have our seasoning over here. Okay, right now that we already loosened up our noodle a little bit, so not 100% cooked, but we're just gonna stop it right here because they're gonna still continue cook inside when we set it on the side because it's still hot. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the bowl. Okay, after we have our noodle, I'm gonna add a little bit the cooking oil into just a little bit so they not stick together. Okay, and give them mix them a little bit so they not stick together. And the reason why I didn't want to cook 100% because when we stir fry, so they're not overcooked when we stir fry. Okay, and next I'm gonna cook our broccoli and carrot inside the boiled water, same water with when we cook the noodle. Okay, just get them cook just a little bit, just enough to soften them up a little bit. Okay, and I just cook our vegetable for 15 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna remove it and set on the side. Okay, and for this recipe, I'm going to use the seasoning, the one come with the package. So I'm gonna put inside the 3 tablespoons of water and mix them up. So when you cook it, it's gonna be really easy and it will cook through your noodle really good. So I'm just gonna put inside the water. Just to make it easy when you cook. So, okay, give them the good mix so ready to use. Alright, and then it's gonna set on the side, and now we're gonna start do our stir fry. Okay, first I already have my pan hot. I turn to the medium heat, and I will put a 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Okay. Just a few seconds, the oil hot. Now I'm gonna put the chopped garlic. I use 1 clove chopped garlic. In Thailand, our stir fry in Thailand only have the chopped garlic, crispy garlic to going all the stir fry recipe. We always have garlic. Okay, and now our garlic turned brown. So now I'm gonna add some egg. Okay, I use 2 eggs. Alright, and I'm gonna beat the egg. In Thailand, when we stir fry, we always use chopped garlic. We only use the crispy garlic in our stir fry recipe. Okay, now I stir fry the crispy garlic and egg. And next, I'm gonna add some shrimp. I use 8 shrimp. You can use different protein if you don't like shrimp, or you can use more shrimp if you wanted to. Okay. While the shrimp still cooking, I'm gonna add the 1 tablespoon the seasoning soy sauce. Okay, seasoning soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Okay, and now our shrimp is 90% cooked, and they're really fast and quick to cook. So I'm gonna add our noodle. Okay. The noodle go in. Quick and easy recipe, and you can use all your favorite noodle, different favorite noodle, whatever the favorite that you like. And next I'm gonna add the seasoning, the one we mixed with our water earlier. Okay. Seasoning go in. Give them a good mix again. If you like spicy, you can add more chili. Okay. But this is favorite already a little bit spicy, so alright. And last, I'm gonna add our vegetable. This is already cooked, so it will be easy. So just add them. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, and my battery just died, so I wasn't sure that you see me when I add the broccoli and carrot or not, but I just add the broccoli and carrot. Okay, so now you just give them the good stir for like 10 to 20 seconds, and now that's it, all we done. We ready to serve this beautiful stir-fry ramen noodle. Yes, very nice and easy. So now we're gonna put it in the plate and ready to serve. Okay, and all the meat on top. Oh, look at how good it is and easy. Very quick and easy. And now I'm ready to finish the plate. This is for one serving. I know it's big, but I can't finish this all. And you can use your favorite noodle, so it will come out really good anyway because you have your favorite noodle. Okay, I will get one broccoli. I didn't get any shrimp yet, but if you're cooking this way, your noodle gonna come out perfect, not overcooked. Okay, and this I'm gonna try with the shrimp. Look at this shrimp. And this is tom yum kung favorite, so they're perfect with shrimp. Wow. Eat a lot right now. Nice and easy and so good. This is a quick 15-minute meal. It's very nice and easy, and you can change the meat, you can change your favorite noodle, vegetable, create with it, go create with it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, can you please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.